Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And listen, today we have a shoe that I have been trying to get for, I guess you would say, over a year and a half. Yeah, almost 2 years at this point. I guess you could kind of say it's somewhat in that almost Grail status for me, and that shoe was in this box right here. Now, we also got some blessings, some new clothing pickups from Privé, as well as another pair of sneakers that I really want to get that I'm really interested to see what you guys think about. A lot of y'all are gonna think these are Basuda, and that's fine. It's the great thing about this sneaker shit, like I always say, everyone has their opinion, everyone likes what they like, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all are gonna hate this shoe right here, but a lot of y'all are probably gonna love it too. Or you'll be on the fence, I don't know. Don't care, I like them. And also, before we hop in, I just wanted to give some shout outs really quick. Shout out to Derek, Andrew, Dave, Andrea, Najib, Andrew, Manny, and Anthony. All those people bought something off of Bull's Bodega. You guys know I've been trying to add new shoes up there, new clothes, just new stuff up on the site, trying to slim down the collection and make space for something new. And hold on, before we continue the video, because I realized while I was editing that I did not let you guys know in the beginning that yes, I will be giving away the info for the $500 giveaway later on in this video. It's on the way, $500 for free. Continue the video, y'all enjoy. So listen, since we got two shoes and clothes, I'm gonna go shoes, clothes, shoe. Of course, I gotta save the Grail for last because I mean y'all will see when I unbox it. But this first shoe right here actually came from Europe. This was a European pickup, and that one is from S&S Sneakers and Stuff. Matter of fact, this could have been from Sneakers and Stuff NY. I'm not exactly sure. Either way, I copped these off of S&S because this shoe was supposed to release on Nike. It did not release on Nike when it was supposed to, and basically I had to go to a boutique site to cop the shoe. So if we open up this box, of course, we have the box on the inside. Thank you for shopping at S&S Sneakers and Stuff. We have the box, which actually looks a lot different. I didn't know the box looked like this. We go ahead and slide this out, toss that into the back. You guys can see the top of the box. It really looks kind of like a sample box. Honestly, you guys can see all the markings and everything going on with the shoe. ISPA right here. The sizing tag on the side is even a little bit different. Even on the back, you guys can see the Nike ISPA designed in Beaverton, Oregon. So you just know right off the rip something, something a little bit different is in the box right here. So peeling the top off this bad boy, I'm pretty sure some of y'all already kind of guessed it what it is. The Nike ISPA Air Max 720 in all its ugly ass glory. First impressions, these are crazier in hand than in photos. I guess you just don't really see all the details and everything going on with the shoe online when you're looking at photos. Let me just go ahead and take this other one out so I can place the box, the ISPA box, in the bag. So yes, here they are. I did indeed cop the ISPA pair. They actually come with two different, I don't even know what to call these things back here. The rivets, I think that's what they're called. As you can see, they kind of come with the blue rivets in, but it does come with white rivets as well. Has ISPA on the bag. I'm honestly really, I'm dropping shit. I don't know, man. I think this is like exactly the weird shit that I like. I don't know. Matter of fact, let me switch up the camera angle so you guys can see it while I'm talking about it. Just switching the angles up a little bit, you guys can really see the shoe and all the little details that go into it. The 720 air bubble, the rivets all over the midsole, the upper, the layers of materials where you got leather. It's kind of like almost a flock down here on the black. I'm pretty sure that's flock around the upper, not suede. To the tongue, which I actually really like, has the Nike symbol on the front, Nike again, and the ISPA on the top. And then towards the back, like I said, you do have like that weird rivet system where you can actually pop this thing off. It actually snaps off, so if you don't want this on the shoe at all, you can take it off the back completely, and you can actually replace it with that white one that was on the other shoe. I mean, me personally, I like the little blue on the back. It gives it another blue hit other than just some of the threading on the upper. All right, so there you go. Quick look all over the shoe, nice and close up. Let me switch the angles back. Okay, you see him? All right, so that's the first pack done. Honestly, in person, these go crazy. I know some of y'all gonna call these Basuda, and I'm gonna let you sound off in the comments. Don't get me wrong, like I said, they are ugly, but they are fire. These, fire. Alright, so now that we got those out of the way, we also need to get into some of these clothing pickups. Now I got a pair of shorts and some tees, all from the homies over at Privé. You guys know the link is always going to be down below if you see anything that you're digging. Now first up, I'm going to start with these shorts. Now these are from 10 Deep. These are called the high dive shorts. Yes, you will have some thigh action going on. They are loud. And unfortunately, this size XL, I felt like it would fit more of a 34. You guys know I'm a 36 waist, so I'll probably need a double X in these shorts at least. But nonetheless, the printing job that they did on these is really well done. They are like a thinner short. They are called the high dive, so it is, like I said, it's gonna be a little thigh action, a little kneecap action going on when you're wearing these. They do also have a little bit of flock down here with the rubber 10 for 10 Deep, and I don't have it on body for these because, like I said, I usually wear a 36 waist. The XL to me fits like a 34 in my opinion. So blam, the high dive shorts. And then we have this next tee. Now this tee is actually from Javi Flame and Privé. It's actually a collab tee that they did. Now apparently this photographer slash videographer Javi Flame was the one who started like that big head thing. We all were seeing that in a lot of the music videos and stuff. So they did a collaboration tee. Now on the front you got Dennis Smith Jr. as well as J. Cole underneath. Says Javi Flame X Privé. If you guys don't know, Privé is in Carolina. So this is kind of like showing love to the home team tee. So bland, they had this collab tee. This is available as well. Now we also got some more heat, and I'm gonna save this gray tee. I'm gonna save that one for last. First up, I'm gonna get into this tee. Now this is from 10 Deep. This is the dead inside tee, obviously like the Intel inside logo for any of you who know about computers a little bit, at least Intel. So it does say dead inside in blue on the side. It says warning, a fatal error has occurred. It's like if your computer got a blue screen but with a little bit of 10 Deep inside there. Error 10.deep 2019. Now on the back you have a big skeleton print, full printing all the way throughout the back. So yes, the dead inside tee, this one's coming from 10 Deep, and as I always say, they fit true to size TTS. Now this next one is called the Tiger Strike tee. This really reminds me kind of my Prince Palace tee that I have. It's kind of like the same color, like that purple and gold or purple and orangish color. Now this one is an all over purple tie-dye. I actually really like how this tee looks. The purple tie-dye color gives it some lights and some darks. They actually look very similar to my Stussy tie-dye pants. Now if you jump from the front of the t-shirt to the back, you're gonna see that same big 10 logo and that tiger fur print. And I don't know exactly what they've been doing with the prints, but the actual tiger fur itself, it has all the little strands and stuff in the print, so it looks really realistic. I think they did a really good job with the printing on this tee. So this is the Tiger Strike tee, all over purple tie-dye. A lot of tie-dye going on, dyes going on in this one. We got another one right here. This is the Slime and Fury logo tee. This is the tie-dye version of it. Now it's called the Slime and Fury because it's, once again, Sound and Fury. If you see a logo like this that isn't like this, it's the Sound and Fury logo. But on the front, as you guys can see, it's an all over navy blue tie-dye with some pink mixed in there. The 10 Deep logo on the front is small, and this color kind of reminds me of a infrared color. You guys can see it a lot bigger on the back of the t-shirt. But the last tee we have is this one, and this is the 10 Deep Cataclysm tee. Now of course mine is in that gray, kind of that charcoal gray tie-dye. They do have an all black version of this one as well, but the graphic on this joint is crazy. The colors on this joint is crazy. Then it has a rating on the side, mature 10, content rated by the ESRB, powered by human tears. Now if you move from the front to the back, you also have this small graphic, powered by the globe on fire, powered by human tears. So yes, that is the 10 Deep Cataclysm tee. I actually really like this t-shirt. I really dig this graphic, and I like the colors a lot on this one. So as far as pickups go, as far as t-shirts and things go, clothing goes, that is it for the clothing pickups, and it is now time to get into this box. Now underneath this box there is this right here, and this is actually going to be the gift card for the $500 giveaway to Champ Sports. And I want to let you guys know, be paying attention to the IG. I want to try and make sure that the next IG picture that I take is announcing this giveaway. So if I go ahead and peel this off, I'm probably gonna have to put some type of insert in the beginning of the video because I forgot to mention it. But yes, this right here is a $500 Champs Sports gift card. I'm giving this away for free. Someone's gonna get this for free. $500 to spend however you want. I don't care. Do what you want to do. So be looking out on the IG. Make sure you drop a like on this video and make sure you follow me on IG. Now, let's get back to the shoe as we can. Now, this right here comes from StockX. No, it's not an ad. I spent my own money on this shoe. And this was a shoe that I had been trying to get for a very long time. Back when I was in All-Star Weekend for LA, this was the shoe that I wanted like the baddest, the worst. I was trying to track down this shoe so bad, so hard, and I was never, ever able to get them. I've never held them in hand, and honestly, it's probably gonna be the first time some of y'all have even seen this shoe. Definitely not the first time I've seen it, but I've only seen it on a shelf. And at that time, I was not able to even touch it. So this is the Air Force One. Now, what Air Force One could I be so excited about? And I really feel like, although we have 2 shoes in this unboxing and that's it, I really feel like it is definitely quality over quantity with this pair. And it does seem like these probably actually came from Taiwan. Because this shoe right here, as you can see from this weird tag, was only released in Taiwan. And I think a few pairs were released in LA. This is the Air Force One Low Retro White Varsity Red. It's finally time. The delayed W that I've wanted for so long. Whew. I'm trying to tell y'all. Listen, the Taiwan Air Force One. Originally released in 2001. They had a retro in 2018. Whew. These shits right here, fire. Something that you'll probably never see. You might never see this shoe right here. I talk people's heads off about the sneaker. I think I talked Tony's head off about this shoe. He heard the name Taiwan Air Force One during LA All-Star Weekend. More than he would probably have liked, because this is the shoe that I kept talking about because I just wanted them so bad. Now, why did I want this shoe so bad? I didn't know that this shoe existed until they announced that the retro was coming. Then I looked into it and I found out this shoe originally released in 2001. It's just one of those really OG, kind of out of nowhere retros of an older Air Force One colorway. But when I seen it, you got the all over patent leather on the upper. It's a little bit different as well that it has the round rope laces on here instead of the flat regular Air Force One lace. The shape was really well done. The toe isn't like really puffed up and crazy like some Air Forces today. I think they really did a pretty good job of trying to replicate the shape from what I've seen from photos. The dual swoosh, where on the outside you get the red to clear, on the inside you get this blue to clear, and it's just one of those really rare Air Force Ones that I think is really dope. I think it's very unique. And this right here is what I'm trying to get my collection to be. Just shoes that I really love. Not shoes that are like, shoes like, I kind of like them. I want my collection to be just like how I feel about this shoe, where it's like, yo, when I put this on, I know this shit, these are it. It's just something that's unique. It's a shoe that some of y'all, like I said, may never have ever heard of before, but now you know. The Taiwan Air Force One, the low, I can finally check these off the list. I don't know if y'all can hear it in my voice, but I am very excited to wear these. Now, for those wondering how much I paid for this pair, in total I had to spend $380, but I felt like that was lower than what I thought they would be going for at this point. I did have to get mine in a 12. I would have liked to gotten an 11.5, but there was no 11.5s available. I put in a bid for 11.5 and a 12, and someone bid on the size 12. So the Taiwan Air Force One low, yes sir. Yes sir. The icy bottoms, yes sir. The patent leather on the upper, yes sir. So with that being said, man, much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah. Of course, hold on, I got a call coming in from Taiwan. Hello, yes, I received the shoes. Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. I feel good. I feel good. Having these finally, it's funny because I know some of y'all are probably like, them shits are like weak as fuck, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm happy to have them. That's it, man. I'm out. Peace.
Two-faced females all around me. Baby shawty, man, I thought that she was riding. Backstabber, she a killer, what she hiding? Get the dumping if a nigga come and try me. Yeah, bitch so used to being dog, she don't know it's good. Shawty from the hood, she 21, she